Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day. My name's Kyle. This is my first free weekend in Germany, and that means fun things are happening. Let's get it. Hey, got squad on the train.
I know.
May or may not have almost missed it. But today's plan is we're going to some mountain that has a waterfall. It has ruins and thermal vents. So I think that's everything. Don't know where it is, but we're just gonna go. We made it to the base of the waterfall. JK. Thought we made it to the base of the waterfall. Oh. There's stairs. Made it to the waterfall. Inside of the waterfall, super slight. Now we better head back down. We drank the stream water and it says don't because it carries infections, and filled up an entire water bottle and drank it. Ugh. So we thought we were walking up a mountain to get a view. Literally just walked up a mountain, just stand in a field. What the heck? There's just a freaking road. Oh my gosh. Just got out of the thermal baths. Look like I got the flow going. Which apparently I couldn't vlog that we were there because apparently it's looked down upon videoing people in public pools and people laying out nude, so didn't want to go to jail while we were in Germany. I think we're going home now. So that wraps up another awesome day. Same country, different city, awesome people, awesome experience. Always a good one. Now, heading to bed. Later.